What if you could start making money online in just 10 minutes using AI? Stay until the end for the fastest method that almost runs itself. First, use ChatGPT to help you answer questions on expert sites like JustAnswer or StudyPool. People ask for help with homework, business, or technology, and you can use AI to research and write clear answers. This is a quick way to earn money by helping others. You do not need to be an expert to get started. ChatGPT can help you break down tough questions into simple explanations. This method is practical and can be started today with just a computer and internet connection. Each answer you post can earn you money, and the more you help, the more you can make. These platforms pay for helpful answers, so focus on being clear and accurate. Recommendation number 2. Use free AI tools like Crayon, Canva, or Bing Image Creator to make fun images. Turn your designs into stickers, shirts, or notebooks on Redbubble or TeePublic. ChatGPT can help you come up with ideas that people want to buy, like dog quotes for teachers or funny art for gamers. You do not need to be a designer to start. AI tools make it simple to create and upload your work in minutes. This is a fast way to earn money by making products people search for online. Selling AI-made designs is a great side hustle. And in tip number 5, you'll see how to do this without even needing your own store. And number 3, offer editing or captioning services using AI on sites like Fiverr or Workana. Many people need help making their blogs or video transcripts sound better. You can use ChatGPT to rewrite, summarize, or add captions to their content. This is a good way to start freelancing, even if you have never written professionally before. You can reply to job posts and offer to improve writing quickly with AI support. It is a simple way to earn money by making content clearer and easier to read. Editing and captioning are quick jobs you can do from home, and tip number 5 will show you how AI can help you find these jobs automatically. Number 4. Try Gamma.app, an AI tool that creates professional slide decks from a short prompt. You can offer to make pitch decks, reports, or course slides for others on freelance sites like Contra or LinkedIn. These projects are valuable and can earn you between $20 and $100 each. Gamma makes it easy to deliver high-quality presentations fast. You just enter a topic, and the AI builds the slides for you. This is a smart way to use AI for a service that many businesses need. If you want to find clients even faster, tip number 5 will show you how to automate the search for new projects. Finally, use Browse AI to watch job boards like Craigslist or Upwork for keywords you choose. Connect it to Zapier so you get emails about the best jobs, or even have ChatGPT send a draft pitch for you. This setup takes less than an hour and works in the background, helping you find work while you do other things. Now, let's review all 5 ways you can start earning with AI today, including this automated job search that can help you build your savings or even your 401k. With this method, AI does the hardest part, finding jobs that match your skills. You can focus on doing the work and earning money instead of searching all day. This is the fastest way to use AI to make money online with almost no overhead. As a recap, here are 5 ways to make money online with AI. Sell fast answers on expert sites, create and sell AI images, edit content using AI tools, build paid presentations with Gamma, and automate job hunting with AI. Each method is quick to start and does not need special skills. You can use these ideas to earn extra money or grow your 401k. Pick one and try it today. AI is already helping people earn online. Why not you? Check back on this channel, the Zennial Files, for future advice.